Thank you all for checking out the channel, and while you're here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to keep up with all of my shenanigans. Three, two, one. Welcome back to another gameplay video. Today I'm playing down at the Steel Reapers LZ Airsoft in Fountain, Colorado. The game mode is a simple team deathmatch with some buddy medicing rules. In order to get revived, your buddy has to come up and touch you 10 times on the shoulder, then you can go back to respawn. Today I am playing with one of the used MP5s I picked up off of Craigslist, and boy was I surprised with its performance. It's a 1 Joule replica, and supposedly from what the field ref told me, it was clearing about a 200-foot shot easily.
Yep. Dude, this is a 1 Joule gun and I'm reaching him at spawn. Holy crap. Watch it. They got a saw on us right now. So remember that when I was shooting? I'm watching them fly close to their spawn. I don't know how far away I am. Shit, I can't see
right there is where the field marshal told me that it was about 200 feet to the enemy's spawn from where I was shooting. I have no reason to doubt him.
What's going on?
But I didn't measure it myself, so that's just a best guesstimate. If that is the case, this MP5 was one of the best treasures I could have found for a used replica.
Because that's the problem, is if I move from here, I got a saw that could get me.
I got that guy down here.
You got the saw? Focus on him. Provide cover. Yeah. All right. I can see bodies. I don't have enough power to cut the brush. Gun jam. Oh fuck, our saw's down. Huh?
At this point of the game, we had enemies coming from the north end of the field, and we had enemies coming from our west, from the really heavy forested side. This was quite a predicament we ended up in. My goal here was to at least try to get the enemies in the forest to just move or not flank us from that side. And to be honest, it didn't work out that well. They ended up just flanking all the way around to the south and coming up from behind us, and we just got pinched.
Shit. Guys, I'm reloading. I can see them, but I can't get them. Guys, they're advancing on us. From where?
Right here is where I tried my heavy suppressive fire to at least try to get them to back off from their position.
Guys, they're flanking to the south.
And that's where they decided that it was best to just go south, coming around us, and begin the pinch. It hurts getting pinched.
They're flanking to the south.
Anybody who's ever been pinched knows it hurts getting pinched. And that's the end of my bad jokes for this video.
Shit, hit! I do not have the range for this guy. Hey, north side! North side! On the north! Guys! Hit! Hit!
At that point, all of our
Following
team
medic
was
rules.
dead, and there was no following the medic rules because there was nobody to revive us. So most of our team just decided it was best to go back to respawn.
Call him out! What? Watch yourself, watch yourself. Flag just past the berm. Moving. Nope, he's grabbing fire. There he is. Over there to the left of the referee. And reloading. I shouldn't have full autoed, but I did. All right, down, move to his position, move to his position.
While I was reloading, one of our teammates went up and took out a couple of enemies, which gave
Are they
us
dead?
enough ground
Yep,
to
okay,
get
is he
up
dead, Rag?
and gain position on the
You
field
guys
again.
over there? Where we at? Oh God, did you just teabag him? I missed it. I'm just saying, he's just like, no. Don't, are you puking? Damn it. When he starts puking, you let me know. Yes. Just do it. Just do it, dude. I'll catch that Zoom footage just all up in your face. Nikita was smart last night and went out and drank, children. Nikita is a wonderful airsofter. He is a representative of why airsoft and booze does not work. Nikita's not feeling good today.
And that's my PSA for this episode.
Don't give it away. It's not fun when you give it away.
I want you to shoot him.
That guy over there. Yeah, everybody's back and respawning on your side, guys. Oh, fuck! Woohoo!
What are you, jacking him? Holy shit, that was
Yeah, I told you, right?
No, that came right in front of my nose.
Well, I know you're, lower face pro, man. You're on the field.
Yeah, I know. No, I just want you to go over the top of your head towards me. It's like, holy shit. It's like,
I just need a sight. Yeah! I got him, sweet!
how did you get it?
Dude, this, I don't know. This is 1 joule, what? Okay, this is a 1 joule gun, dude.
Through all of that.
I know! This is one.
We're entering the final moments of the game for me. As myself and my teammate came in here, he decided to hold down the east side of the forested area, and I went across to the west. And did not find adequate cover.
I'm so impressed with this.
As always,
damn
I hope you have all enjoyed
paid
this
$60 for
gameplay.
this.
I know that I did. This game was one of the most fun games I have had in a very long time. The Steel Reapers LZ Airsoft Field in Fountain, Colorado has a phenomenal rule set, a great staff,
him into
and an
death.
overall
okay,
awesome
he's been-
feel. I hope
Yeah, I
that
see him.
all of you get the chance to go and check them out if you are in the Colorado area. And until next
across.
time, I will see
I'm gonna go
you
across.
back right here on Runner Airsoft, and I hope you enjoyed these final moments that I left in just for you.
Dude, I'm sure somebody's right behind me. I can't tell if that's a person. Ah, fuck! Hit the brush, Dad! Whoa, Dad, good shot! Oh, BBs do not shoot sticks! BBs do not shoot sticks! Darren, I love you! Wow, really? Why? But I love you. Here, I'm gonna lay down. It's okay. Oh God. Something just broke. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm fogging. I'm like laying on all of my mags. I'm dead. Who else is dead? Is anybody else dead?